everybody, welcome to my channel. If you guys are new here, I do a bunch of random stuff. Most of it is couponing, but I'm here to share with you guys what I got. Now, if you know, I have an Etsy store. I do a lot of stuff. A lot of you guys ask me to make you things. Totally fine with that. But I get my vinyl from various places. I've learned, I even have a video where not to get your vinyl. But I like to get my vinyl at various places. But recently, over the last couple months, I've been buying my vinyl from Amazon, this company called Teckwrap. Now, I actually bought a 5-pack of this like opal colors, pearl colors, about a year ago, and I really liked it. Well then, sorry, my cat's on the table. Then I started looking and I found out that they have a shop on Amazon, and I'm like, sweet. Well, then I found out, I started following them on social media. Well, then I found out they have a mystery box, and a lot of people were commenting, oh, I love my mystery box, I love my mystery box. Now, these are special kind of vinyls, like, you know, I have no idea what's in it. There's two different options. There's box A, which is all adhesive vinyl, and there's box B, which is adhesive, and HTV, which is heat transfer vinyl. I like more of the vinyl, so we're gonna open this up. Now, I did pay $99 for this box. I'm like, we're gonna try it out, see if it's well worth the $90 that it is. One thing I didn't know is it shipped from China. I did not know it shipped from China. Well, then a couple days ago, I got an email saying that it shipped, and I'm like, oh, okay. And I looked at it, and I'm like, oh yeah, it was in the Philippines when I checked the status last. Well, I was not expecting to get this today, but I am so excited to share with you guys what I got. So it's just a plain old box. There's tons of labels, but we're gonna open it up and see what's inside, and I'm gonna share with you guys. Sweet. Okay, so there's 15 rolls in here. So if you guys think about it, they sell these rolls for $11.50 on Amazon, give or take. Some is 13, some is 14. But I'm here to share with you guys what I got, and I already see one color that I'm obsessed with. So I've never used this before. It is a weeding pen. I've heard so many people use this. When I weed out my stuff, I use a very sharp thing, but this is just like a regular pen. Oh, it's really sharp, but it's probably easier to grip. This has got like glitter on it. That's super cute. I've never had a wet weeding pen, and I did not know this came with it. So let's dig in. I'm just going to share with you guys the color that I am staring at right now. This is, it doesn't say it. It is a rainbow stripes sunrise, and it's actually probably a whole rainbow if I opened the whole thing up, but there is glitter on it. So I'm assuming it goes all the way to like blue and green, but this is gorgeous. I'm going to open it up because I'm going to use this one anyways. I'm going to open it up. So it's got a little bit of it's not like a smooth vinyl, or is it just all red? Okay. So it's just all the same color over and over again, but I absolutely love it. I love the way that feels. So I wanted to share with you guys on that one. So that's number one. I see a, what is this? Like a gold color, kind of like a light gold, satin champagne gold. So we got that one. And usually these are about 5 feet, I think. Here we got a like polka dots champagne gold. So that's kind of cute. And then there's also another polka dot ones in here. We have a like lime green. So this is polka dots lime. So you got the two colors right there. Those are super adorable. Okay. This one I actually have. I don't have this one by Teckwrap, but I actually have a different one. But this is called Glass Flower Lilac. So I think that's a super pretty color. So I got that one. And I actually wanted to get chrome colors, you guys. I've actually wanted to get chrome colors. So this one is a mirror chrome, and it's like a lighter blue, which is really cool. Perfect. And then we have one of those rainbow ones again. This one is rainbow stripes and pink cyan. So I'm assuming it just turns a purple and pink, which is super pretty. So that is 6 rolls right there. Oh my goodness. Okay. Another chrome one we have is a mirror chrome in royal pink. We have another chrome, and this is a light gold. And then there's one more chrome, and this one is the Opal Peacock blue, and I absolutely love this color. I've actually used this color of a different company. So got those of chrome. Then I have a solid color, and it is reflective blue. I don't see anything reflective about it, unless there is some colors where, like, I don't know what's reflective about it. It's just, maybe that's just the color of the blue. So we got that one. And then we have another solid color. Now this says ink black. I don't know if it means anything, but yes. And one thing I have learned about these is some of these are really hard to cut. So I actually use the reflective option, reflective vinyl option, and more instead of default for cutting the blade, and it cuts out so much easier. So we got that one. And then it looks like I just got plain, it says coconut white. So we got that one. And then I have a Opal Hot Pink, which I absolutely love. This is one of the colors when I bought my little 5 samples. This is the color that I got. And then this one, ooh, this one's so pretty. This is the last one. This is the Rainbow Stripes in Rainbow. So that is super cool. It's probably all the colors. I absolutely love this. So like I said, these run about $11 to $13 each on Amazon. $14 I've seen them. So I was pretty excited because these are just not like your plain simple patterns. And there's a couple in here that I actually did want to get anyway, so I'm pretty excited for that. I buy a lot of my color changing vinyl from them. I buy my like reflective cheetah rainbow print that I have. I bought like 5 or 6 rolls for them, but I am very happy with their product. It is a company based out of China, but you know what? I'm super happy with it. I do not have a complaint, and I just wanted to share with you guys on that. Would I get this again? We will see. Maybe not right away, but I am pretty happy with what I got. I think I'm going to use these rolls up a little bit and see how I like them, and maybe. But if you guys are interested, you can follow Teckwrap. They'll have a thing. They only have it come out like once a month. I don't know if there's any more left of this month. I find out that they sell up pretty fast, but a lot of people really enjoy their colors. So if you guys are looking for, you know, different textures and kind of different vinyl to choose from instead of just the basic, definitely check this out. But I really enjoy it. I hear a lot of people enjoy it too. If you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time for another mystery unboxing haul. See you guys later. Bye-bye.